This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing a lightweight library so you can play audio with minimal code. Run pip install playsound or pip install Simplodio and make sure your Python environment is active. Once done, place the audio file, WAV or MP3, in your project folder or note the full path. This reduces path errors and permissions issues. You should also open a terminal next to your script file. That makes testing immediate, and it avoids directory confusion when you run the next commands. Now you write the small script that actually plays sound. If you use playsound, write from playsound import playsound, then playsound sound, MP3. If you use Simplodio, import Simplodio as saw, wave obj equals saw, wave object, from wave file sound. WAV, then play obj equals wave obj, play obj, wait done, to block. Make sure to choose blocking or non-blocking behavior intentionally. Blocking waits until sound finishes. Save and run the script to confirm audio starts, and watch for errors printed to the console. Finish by integrating the small script into your app or running it as a utility. Make sure your target OS supports the format. If not, convert MP3 to WAV or install missing codecs. Once integrated, handle exceptions. Wrap playback calls in try/except and log errors. If playback fails, verify the file path, permission bits, system volume, and default audio device. Key troubleshooting tip: if you hear nothing, run a simple audio player outside Python to confirm system audio works before debugging your code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.